In this video, you will learn how to hide and unhide column in Microsoft Excel. You will learn two easy methods to hide and unhide column in Microsoft Excel sheet. Firstly, I will show you how you can hide the column B. I want to hide this column B. I will use first method. Firstly, select the whole column by clicking on these letters. I have clicked on B letter. Now you can see here the whole B column is selected. Right click and you will find the option of hide. Click on it. Now you can see here the column B is hidden. Now this will not print out, but it is not deleted. You can unhide it at any time. Now I want to unhide this column. I will select the column before and after that column, which is the column A and C. I will select column A by clicking here, and now I will use dragging option to select other column, which is the column C. Now I will right click and go to unhide option. Now you can see here the column B is unhidden now. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Similarly, if you want to hide the columns which are consecutive, for example, I want to hide the column B and C, I will select B column by clicking on B letter. The whole column is selected. Now I will go to shift option. I will hold the shift key and select the C column by clicking here. Now you can see here the both are selected. Now I will use second method to hide these columns. Go to home tab, and in home tab you will find the option of format. In format menu there is the option of hide and unhide. I will use hide column option. I will click here. Now you can see here the both are hidden now. Now there is another thing how you can identify that some columns are hidden on that particular sheet. Here you can see here the double line appeared, which indicates that these some columns are hidden. Secondly, you can easily identify from using these letters. If letters are missing, it means that the columns are hidden. For example, you can see here B and C letter are missing. It means that B and C column are hidden. Now, how you can unhide this option? Now how you can unhide these columns? Select this column and by using dragging option select the next one, which is the column D. Go to home, and in home tab you will find the option of format. In format I will use hide and unhide option and select unhide columns. Now you can see here that these columns are unhidden now. Now if there is a situation where you want to hide the columns which are not consecutives, for example, I want to hide column A and C, I will select column A. Now instead of shift key you will hold control key. Remember, if columns are consecutive which you want to hide, you will use shift key, and if they are not consecutive you will use the control key. I will hold control key and select the column C. Now right click and I will select hide option. Now both columns are hidden. Now instead of the unhiding individual column, you can use a simple trick. You can click on here which upper corner and place your cursor on any column, right click, and you will find the option of unhide. After doing that, you can see here the all columns which are hidden will be appeared. Now if there is a situation where first column is hidden, for example, I will hide it. Now how you can unhide it? You will select the column after that, which is the B column. Now hold the control key and select first row. Place your cursor on column B, right click and go to unhide option. Now you can see here this is unhidden. So by using these options you can hide and unhide the particular column in Microsoft Excel sheet. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.